Hello coffee grinders, and welcome today to this demonstration and test of a vintage German coffee grinder. This one is a Zassenhaus 185 record. I think you can see that there. I guess dating from sometime between late 1930s to early 1950s. Probably later in the period. One of the giveaways is the, I don't know if you can see that, is the crank with the Zassenhaus in a cursive script. The earlier ones had an oval with RZ, just a monogram there. So the test is as it always is. What we're going to do is we're going to put the grinder on its finest setting, and then we're going to grind 7 grams, a single person, 1 cup serving of coffee beans, and we're going to see how fast the grinder goes and what the grind looks like. So first things first, we just adjust the grinder so that the burrs are just touching. Got a way to go on this one. We're getting there. Oh. There we go. And that's it there. We're just touching. Not binding, not heavy. So, here we are, away we go. So, 22 or 23 turns of the handle there. Quite a quick grinder. They're often very efficient grinders. Let's have a look at the grind. Yeah, classic fine grind. I would say a touch away from powdery, but it is compacting. So I believe that this would be a grind which is amply fine for any coffee maker. Thank you very much for watching. There we have it. Zassenhaus 185 record. Feel free to have a look at the links in the description or at the end of the video, and may your grinds be consistent and fine.